Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome to my course, Testing with Entity Framework Core. I'm a Microsoft MVP and freelance solution architect, currently focused on security and building APIs. In this course, we are going to learn how to test code that depends on calls into your database through Entity Framework Core. This will improve the reliability of your tests and code. Some of the major topics that we will cover include learning about different ways to test your application, using the InMemory and SQLite database providers with Entity Framework Core, test isolation, and logging Entity Framework Core logs to Test Explorer. By the end of this course, you'll know all about testing with Entity Framework Core. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with .NET Core, Entity Framework Core, and C#. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about how Entity Framework Core can help with testing your code with the Testing with Entity Framework Core course at Pluralsight.